Welcome to the Life-Focused Approach to Agriculture. My name is Matthew Slaughter. I'm the president of Earthfort, and this is the Earthfort team.
Hi, I'm Chandra. I'm the operations manager for Earthfort, and we are excited to bring you this extensive live on-demand series. We hope you like it.
Hi, I'm Kathy. I am the shipping and production manager at Earthfort. Throughout this webinar series, I will be presenting ecological succession. We have a four-part adventure for you covering some of the early folks who were instrumental in ecology and soil science. We will also explore both primary and secondary succession.
Hi, I'm John. I'm Earthfort's production technician for our product line, Soil Provide and Soil Revive.
Hi, I'm Anel. I work on social media and marketing at Earthfort. I hope you guys enjoy our new educational series.
Hi, I'm Kinsler. I'm the assistant to the president here at Earthfort, and I will be helping coordinate the webinar events and assisting with any logistical questions you may have about our new series. Let's get started. Today, we are introducing our webinar series, A Life-Focused Approach to Agriculture, which will be presented by members of the Earthfort team. We will go over the content, the cost, the details, and the logistics of registration. In addition to this video, you can find a summary of all of this information on our website at earthfort.com. Our driving goal is to educate and advance your knowledge in approximately 20 different soil science topics throughout the weekly educational webinar series.
This series is designed for farmers who are interested in improving soil health, improving their profitability, and improving the efficiency of the current activities on their farm. The series is geared towards anyone interested in integrating life-focused approach. Whether you are a farmer, a landscape professional, a home gardener, an enthusiast of soil science, or anyone with a passion and natural curiosity for learning, this is a fantastic opportunity to get essentially all of the content from our two-day workshop. It is offered to you in 30-minute webinar sessions that you can view on demand from the comfort of your own home.
The benefits are to enhance your experience and relationships with the farm and educate on soil science. Our goal is that you will be able to offer more to your customers and the public, understand your soil and its needs from a biological perspective, as well as the nutrients and the physical properties of that soil. Ultimately, if you're a farmer, to increase the crop yields and health. If you're a home gardener, increase the quality of your produce. As a landscape professional, increase the aesthetic and overall beauty of the area without sacrificing the surrounding environment in the process. These are just some of the benefits this series will offer you.
The complete series cost is $395. This package includes access to the weekly live educational webinars, which will start in May of 2020. Also included is an advanced soil biology test, a plant available nutrient test, as well as access to recordings of all the webinars so that you'll be able to access them on demand after the live session. In addition, we will make available PDFs of the presentations so that if you want material to follow along, these documents will be accessible. There will be a short question and answer session at the end of each live webinar. Throughout the series, we will have other live Q&A sessions for anything else that we may need to expand upon.
We're planning on conducting a webinar session every Thursday morning at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. After you are registered, we will send out email updates of all of the upcoming content for the week, as well as any logistical information you may need. These updates can also be found on our website. To register for the webinar series, click on the link below this video. You can also find the registration information on our website at earthfort.com. Please feel free to reach out and send us an email with any additional questions or thoughts.
One of the things that we are really trying to accomplish with this series is to define what a life-focused approach is when looking at agriculture. Earthfort believes that we can define this approach in a way that is practical, holistic, and easily understood and integrated into diverse circumstances. We'll cover the sciences needed for this approach through our sessions focused on ecological succession, soil microbiology, and chemistry. Then we will look at the tools and practices used to establish these principles in our soils. We will focus on this approach in several practical ways, whether it is do-it-yourself or using commercially available products. There will also be specific sessions focused on making the transition from conventional methods to a life-focused, science-based approach in your farms and gardens.
We want to make sure you have as many learning resources as possible. As you are preparing for the courses, here are some extra materials that we would recommend researching in the meantime. If you have any other questions or would like more recommendations from our knowledgeable staff, please feel free to reach out.
For more information, visit earthfort.com or our Facebook page. We will link them below. We can also be found on Instagram at Earthfort LLC. We look forward to having you in our educational program. Thank you for your time from all of us at Earthfort.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.